Hello friends, I am Bob, B-O-B. Bob, I move up and down or swing like this. I am fun to watch.
Hello friends, I am Sob, S-O-B. Sob, I mean to cry softly. Sometimes we feel sad, but it is okay.
Hello friends, I am Job, J-O-B. Job, I mean work. People do jobs to earn and help others.
Hello friends, I am Cobb, C-O-B, Cobb. I am corn and I grow on farms. I am fresh and tasty.
Hello friends, we are Mob, M-O-B Mob. We are a group of people together, moving and cheering. Hello friends, I am Rob, R-O-B. Rob, it means to take something that is not yours. We should always be honest and kind.
Hello children, welcome back to our English session. Today we are going to revise the OB word family. Let us start with the word bob. Bob means a small movement up and down or something that swings. Now children, look at the word sob. Children, sob means to cry softly when we feel sad. Next children, we have the word job. Job means work that people do every day. Finally children, the word rob means to take something that is not yours. We should always be honest and kind. Children, now see the word cob. Cob is a corn that grows on farms and is used as food. Finally, children, the word rob means to take something that is not yours. We should always be honest and kind. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, welcome to spring season. Everything looks fresh and colorful flowers bloom and the weather feels happy and pleasant. Hello friends. In spring we play with flowers and enjoy the beautiful weather. Everything feels bright and joyful. Hello friends, I am Butterfly. I love spring season. I fly around flowers and make the garden look beautiful. Hello friends, the sun is pleasant and the sky is clear. In spring the weather is calm and comfortable.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the spring season, a very beautiful and colorful season. Children, during spring season the weather is very pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold, which makes it comfortable. Children love to play outside during spring because the weather is nice and the sky is clear. In this season, flowers bloom and trees grow new green leaves, making the surroundings look fresh and bright. We can also see butterflies flying around flowers, which makes nature look even more beautiful. Children, today we learned about the spring season and its features. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I'm Peach, P-E-A-C-H. Peach, I'm sweet and juicy. I grow in spring and taste very yummy.
Hello friends, I am Raw Mango. I am a little sour but very tasty. People love to eat me in spring.
Hello friends, we are sweets. We are soft and delicious. Enjoy us, but eat in small amounts.
Hello friends, I am vegetable salad. I am healthy, colorful, and fresh. Eat me to stay fit and strong.
Hello friends, I am Strawberry. I am sweet, juicy, and full of flavor. I grow in spring and everyone loves me. Hello friends, I am Sandwich. I am easy to eat and very tasty. You can enjoy me anytime.
Hello friends, I am Fruit Custard. I am sweet, creamy, and full of fruits. I am perfect for spring.
Hello friends, I am Kebab. I am grilled and tasty. I am enjoyed during outdoor meals in spring.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the food we like to eat and drink during the spring season. Let us start with peach. Peach is a sweet and juicy fruit that grows in spring. Now look at raw mango. Raw mango is slightly sour but very tasty and refreshing. Children, vegetable salad is very healthy. It contains many fresh vegetables that keep us strong. Now we have sweets. Sweets are delicious, but we should eat them in small amounts. Strawberries are bright red fruits. They are sweet and loved by everyone. Sandwich is a simple and tasty food which is made by bread and also veggies, so we can sandwich eat anytime. Fruit custard is a yummy dessert made with fruits and cream. It is very refreshing. Kebabs are grilled food enjoyed during outings. Children, today we learned about different spring foods. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am Joy. I mean happiness and...
Hello friends, I am Toy, T-O-Y. I am something you play with. I bring fun and smiles to children.
Hello friends, I am Boy, B-O-Y, Boy. I am a young child. I love to play and learn new things. Hello friends, I am Coy. C-O-Y. Coy I mean shy and quiet. Sometimes we feel a little shy, and that is okay.
Hello children, welcome back to our English session. Today we are going to revise the OI word family. Let us start with the word joy. Joy means happiness. When we feel happy and excited, we feel joy. Now children, look at the word toy. A toy is something children use to play and have fun. Next we have the word boy. A boy is a young male child who plays and learns. Children, now look at the word coy. Coy means shy or quiet. When someone feels shy, they are called coy. Now trace all the words. Children, today we revise the OI word family words. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello children, I am number 2020. I come after 19 and before 21. I am part of your counting numbers. Let us learn together.
Hello children, let us count together. 1, 2, 3, and keep going until we reach 20. This shows that 20 means 20 objects. Hello children, this is how we write number 20. It is written as 2 and 0 together. Practice writing 20 and remember it.
Hello children, welcome back to our math session. Today we are going to learn a new number called 20. Children, number 20 is written as 20. It comes after 19 and before 21 in counting. Let us understand this better. Number 20 means a group of 20 cakes. When we count things and reach 20, we say 20. Children, the number 20 is made by combining 2 and 0 together. Practice writing it neatly in your notebook. Children, today we learned about number 20, how to read, write and count it. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello friends, I am Top, T-O-P, Top I spin, round and look so fun, watch me spin.
Hello friends, I am Hop, H-O-P Hop. I mean to jump like this, boing boing, come hop with me.
Hello friends, I am Cop, C-O-P Cop. I help keep people safe and follow rules on the road.
Hello friends, I am Mop, M-O-P Mop. I clean the floor and make it shiny and neat.
Hello friends, I am Pop, P-O-P Pop. Pop me, fun, pop and sound bubbles come out. It is exciting.
Hello children, welcome back to our English session. Today we are going to revise the OP word family. Let us start with the word top. A top is a toy that spins around. Now children, look at the word hop. Hop means to jump like a rabbit. Next we have the word cop. A cop is a police officer who helps keep us safe. Children, now look at the word mop. A mop is used to clean the floor and keep it neat. Finally, we have the word pop. Pop means a sound or something bursting like a balloon or opening a can. Trace all words carefully. Children, today we revised the OP word family words. I hope you understand this chapter.
Hello